Hi, I'm Laura. I'm 28 and I've been living with lupus for about 10 years. Lupus can cause lots of different symptoms. I mostly have difficulty with extreme fatigue, pain and weakness in my muscles, mouth ulcers and kidney problems. Lupus can also cause hair loss, skin rashes, seizures, blood disorders and can attack other organs. Like many people with lupus, a lot of the time I have no visible symptoms, so I don't look unwell. In fact, I often look really healthy, despite feeling awful. This generally makes it a lot more difficult for other people to understand my illness. When people ask me how I am, and I tell them that I'm really fatigued or in pain because of my lupus, I will often receive comments like, "You look okay to me," or "Maybe if you had a more positive attitude you'd feel better." These types of comments are not very helpful, and make me feel much less able to ask for help if I need it. I find that the fatigue is probably the most difficult symptom I deal with from day to day. Lupus fatigue isn't just like normal tiredness, it makes me feel completely drained, and sleep doesn't make me less tired. I have to be very careful to pace myself. It's important that I plan how I use my energy. If I'm going out for the night with my friends, then I generally rest a day before and a couple of days after. Even then I struggle to keep up. When I have to leave early because of my tiredness, I worry that I'm letting my friends down and upsetting them. Like most people with lupus, I am light sensitive. If I spend even a short amount of time out in the sun, then it makes me feel really unwell. Being light sensitive means that I often find myself trapped indoors. If I do go out in the sun, I have to make sure I regularly apply factor 50+ sun cream, cover myself with clothing as much as possible, stick to the shade, and avoid the hottest parts of the day. Having to cover up like this makes me worry that I stand out. There are some things that you can do to help make things easier for people with lupus. First of all, it helps a lot when you know about lupus and its symptoms. You can learn more about lupus by going to the Lupus UK website, www.lupusuk.org.uk. You can also keep up to date on the latest news and helpful tips by following Lupus UK on Facebook and Twitter. Another way you can make things easier is to offer to help at home or in the workplace. Helping to lift and carry things can help reduce joint pain and fatigue. Giving a helping hand with the cooking and cleaning allows people with lupus to get more rest and manage their fatigue better. It's often not possible to tell how well I feel just by looking. I often look fine when in fact I'm really struggling. By asking me how I am, and by asking if there's anything you can do to help, you could make my day. Lupus is a chronic illness with no cure at present. For many people, it is a condition that has peaks and troughs, so they may have periods where they're relatively well, and others where their symptoms are worse. Lupus is neither infectious nor contagious. Thank you for watching this video. Please help care for people with lupus by supporting Lupus UK.